Hi everyone, welcome to Aura Dance. Today I'll introduce you to a few exercises to help correct your posture and relieve back and shoulder pain. It's easy and no equipment is needed. Let's get started. Let's start with your feet stepped out to hips width distance. Slowly bend your knees while dropping the tailbones and curling the back. Drop your head and release your arms forward. Root the feet down and draw energy from the floor as you straighten your legs. Lift the chest and draw your arms back while lengthening through the spine. Exhale as you bend the knees and release the arms out. Inhale as you come up and lift the chest. The repeated sink and lift movement will neutralize the pelvis and spine and slowly relax the muscles along the back. Next, forward fold and roll ups. Cross the fingers behind you, flip the arms from the back and bring it forward. Bend the knees, drop the tailbone and release the arms from behind. Then slowly roll up the spine. This opens up the chest and stretches the shoulders, which is very helpful for people who always round the back and work at the desk. Hips push back and forth. Keep your feet hips width distance wide. Hinge forward with flat back while pulling your hips backward. Then come back pushing your hips forward while using your hands behind as a support. Keep your chest lifted as you push the hips forward to avoid overarching the lower back. Make sure you keep the movement smooth and slow. Next, sternum lift and sink. Crossed fingers behind, pull it down while lifting the sternum up to the sky. Then melt your chest and sink down to bent knees. You should imagine pulling an elastic band between your hands and your heart as you lift the sternum to the ceiling. The repeated cycle can really open up the chest and relax the muscles along the shoulders. Shoulder and chest opener. Wrap one hand around the front of the waist, then open up the other arms drawing a circle from the front to behind. Stand up taller and open up the chest and shoulder while spiraling to the back. You may have difficulty turning around at the beginning, but you will find yourself able to turn more behind as you repeat the exercise. Because you're starting to create more space along the spine, and the side of the neck is becoming more relaxed as you go. If you like this video, please subscribe to the Aura Dance channel. Remember to like, comment, and share the video. I'll see you in the next one.